Hi guys, welcome to the Healthy Meals. If you are new, if you are not, then welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to roast the most perfect peanuts ever. So the first thing is to check if the peanuts are clean. I'll just use my fingers and check if there's anything that is harmful that I need to get rid of, and just do that. Make sure you start with a dry pan, let it heat up a bit, then spread the peanuts into the pan and let them sit for like 2 or 3 minutes. In a glass, add 1 tablespoon of salt and water, and then mix it very well. So after 2 minutes, just give them a stir. You can see that they have started changing the color. Make sure they don't burn. Just keep doing this. Now I'll just go on and use a spoon to apply the salty water in all directions on our peanuts. This is actually easier if you have a bottle spray. You can use it to spray water in all directions. It's a way of adding salt to our peanuts. So after applying the salty water, I'll just go on and give it a stir, because the peanuts were kind of wet now. So I just go on and keep doing this until they are dry. As you can see now, they have started changing the color, but we are not yet there. So we have to keep repeating the same procedure until we have the result that we are looking for. I will go on and add salty water again. So this is the second time. You actually need to do this like 3 or 4 times. By the end of the 4th time, it should be ready. It will take like 10 minutes to cook to do the whole thing, and they should be ready by then. And by the time they are ready, you can see that they will change the color and they will smell like popcorn. Yeah, this is actually one of the street foods in Rwanda. I remember when I was in primary school, we used to go to school and there are people who used to sell them on the street. So when you don't have coins, you just tell them, let me just taste first. You just taste. You can taste like 5 times and you don't buy at the end of the day. But also, anytime that you had coins, you knew where you have to go. You have to go buy peanuts, roasted peanuts on the street. They are actually delicious when you eat them with cookies. I know it doesn't make sense, but it's really nice. Yeah, so guys, you can see now that our peanuts are ready. They have changed the color. Now they look good and they are smelling like popcorns. So you can just go on and let them cool down a bit. Now our perfectly roasted peanuts are ready. They are crunchy and they smell good. They are actually very healthy and they make a perfect snack. So you might want to try it, guys. Just go for it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.